We understand the nature of the job that we do. So I just want to say to our security partners in this room that as a division, we are making our contingency planning to assist when we are called upon from you to assist. So when you have the heavy lifting that need to be supported, we are pledging our support from the security forces, our resources that we have at our disposal in the parish to assess it. So all you need to do is to make your assessment, reach out to us in sufficient time so that we can put our planning around those situations to assist where it is required. Because the truth is, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot, as a division, condone criminality in any of its form. And so those persons who may see that we may need to follow a clerical situation, it will be not accepted in this parish instead. And so as long as we are here leading the charge,